Do you ever open your closet on a Saturday and think, man, I have nothing cool to wear anymore? If your weekend outfit still looks like 2015, logo tee, baggy jeans, old sneakers, this will fix that. By the end of this video, you'll know how to build casual outfits that feel comfortable, look confident, and make people think, wow, he's got it together. Let's start with 3 weekend habits, secretly aging your look. Quick style audit, 30 seconds, no mercy. Ask yourself 3 things. 1. Would I buy this again today? 2. Does it fit me today? 3. Does it make me look sharper or just dressed? If you paused on any of those, it's time to upgrade. Most men don't make huge mistakes. They repeat small ones. Tiny choices add up. The wrong fit, the loud tee, the gym shoe at brunch. Fix the small stuff and your whole look changes. Let's start with the 3 habits that cause most of the damage. Habit 1. Wearing clothes that don't fit. Fit checklist, quick and simple. Shoulder seam should land right on the edge, not past it. Sleeve hits mid-bicep and doesn't flare. Pinch test at the side, about 1 inch of fabric, not 3. Jeans skim the thigh, taper slightly, and break once on the shoe. Waist sits secure when you sit. No digging, no gaping. The fix is simple, a clean, modern fit that moves with you. Picture this. White tee that frames your shoulders, dark jeans with a neat taper, fresh sneakers. Same body, sharper lines, bigger presence. Small shift, huge difference. Great fit sets the foundation. Now let's talk about what's printed on it, because that's where a lot of men go wrong. Habit 2. Loud logos and graphic tees. 6-foot rule. If someone can read your chest from 2 arm lengths away, it's too loud. Trade the billboards for texture. Heavyweight cotton, waffle knit, slub, or a clean Henley. Neutrals do the heavy lifting. Navy, charcoal, olive, stone. Result? The shirt stops talking, you start. Go for heavyweight cotton tees or a clean Henley in a neutral color. Imagine a slate-gray Henley, sleeves rolled just once, paired with dark jeans and white sneakers. No graphics, no noise. Just effortless style that lets you stand out without saying a word. People won't notice the shirt. They'll notice you. Clean fit and subtle design. That's progress. But let's be honest, even great clothes fall flat if your shoes send the wrong message. Which brings us to Habit 3. The wrong sneakers. Let's talk shoes, and because they quietly tell the truth about your style. Running shoes? They belong at the gym. Not at brunch, not at the bar, and definitely not on a weekend getaway. Sure, they're comfortable, but those mesh uppers and chunky soles instantly say, I stopped trying. You can keep the comfort, just change the message. Swap those running shoes for clean leather sneakers, soft suede trainers, or even a vintage runner in a neutral tone. They still feel great, but they look like you've got your life together. Picture this. Dark indigo jeans, a crisp white tee, and minimalist white leather sneakers. Nothing loud, nothing flashy. Just clean, modern, and put together. That simple combo says I care about the details without you ever opening your mouth. And that's the key. Your shoes shouldn't remind people of your morning workout. They should complete your weekend uniform. Because you don't need to dress younger, you just need to dress sharper. When your outfit feels intentional from head to toe, it changes the way you carry yourself. And confidence. That never goes out of style. Now that we've cleaned up the habits holding most men back, let's rebuild your weekend wardrobe from the ground up with a capsule that actually works. Let's be honest, you don't need more clothes, you need better ones. When you hit 40, style becomes about quality, simplicity, and consistency. 8 pieces, that's it. 8 core items that mix easily and cover nearly every weekend, from a coffee run to a dinner out. Let's break it down. 2 tops, 2 layers, 2 bottoms, 2 shoes. Starting with tops, go for a heavyweight plain tee and a textured polo or Henley. Both are comfortable, but they send different messages. The tee says, relaxed, confident, at ease. The polo or Henley says, refined, put together, thoughtful. Picture your weekend lineup. A white tee, a navy Henley, both hanging neatly next to each other. No loud colors, no wrinkles, just easy choices that always look good. And the secret? Heavier fabrics sit better on your frame. They drape instead of cling, hiding small imperfections while adding structure. Tops set the tone, but layers tell the story. Now let's add depth, structure, and personality. Up next are layers. These are what separate stylish men from average ones. Go for a lightweight crewneck sweater or merino knit, and a field jacket or chore jacket. The sweater softens your look while the jacket adds structure. These layers work across seasons. Wear them over a tee in fall or under a coat in winter. Imagine this, a charcoal crew neck over a white tee, olive field jacket on top, dark jeans below. It's casual, but it looks intentional. Texture is key here. A touch of wool or suede brings sophistication, even on a lazy Saturday. Layers done right? Perfect. Time to look at what everything sits on it, because your bottoms can make or break your outfit. Dark straight jeans are your foundation. They're modern, flattering, and work with almost anything. Pair them with a tee and sneakers for daytime, or throw on a polo and loafers for dinner. Your second pair? Cotton linen chinos. They're breathable, timeless, and look smart with minimal effort. Stick to neutral tones like tobacco, navy, or stone. Easy to mix and impossible to mess up. Here's how that looks in real life. Picture this: beige chinos, navy polo, and brown loafers. Add a simple leather strap watch, and you're ready for dinner or a casual evening out. It's that middle ground between relaxed and refined. Perfect for when you want to look put together without overthinking it. Solid foundation in place? Good. Now let's finish strong with what grounds every great outfit. Your shoes. A clean leather sneaker for relaxed days and a suede loafer or chukka for everything else. Those two pairs will carry you through 90% of your weekends. Comfortable, elevated, and versatile. Think of it this way: white sneakers for Saturday errands, brown loafers for Sunday lunch. Same capsule, two different moods. Both stylish. The best part? Every one of these 8 pieces works in at least 3 combinations. That means fewer decisions, less stress, and no wasted money. You can literally get dressed half asleep and still look great. A viewer once told me he cut his wardrobe in half and started getting more compliments. Why? Because he finally found his uniform. Buying more clothes doesn't make you more stylish. Buying the right ones does. Now that your foundation's solid, let's refine it, because the small details create the biggest impact. This is the part most men skip: the fine-tuning. Because great style isn't about owning better clothes, it's about wearing them better. The capsule gave you the what, this gives you the how. Fit is your silent power move. It's what turns average into impressive without changing a single item. Here's the mindset: stop chasing size and start chasing proportion. Your clothes should follow your frame, not fight it. The goal isn't tight or loose, it's balance. If something almost fits, make it perfect. Get it tailored. A $40 shirt with a $15 alteration will always look better than a $200 designer one. That doesn't fit. And when in doubt, take a quick photo in the mirror. If your eyes go to you before your clothes, you nailed it. Fit sorted? Perfect. Now let's talk fabric, because texture and weight are what separate off the rack from intentional. Fabric is the secret handshake of style. People might not know why you look better, but they feel it. The rule is simple: lighter fabrics feel relaxed and casual. Heavier fabrics create structure and confidence. That's why cotton linen, merino wool, and brushed twill always win. They breathe, they move, and they age beautifully. Cheap synthetics might look fine on day one, but they fade fast and lose shape. Picture this: you're wearing a charcoal merino crew neck that holds its form even after a full day. No wrinkles, no sagging, just quiet confidence that doesn't need attention. Now let's move to footwear, because it says more about you than almost anything else. Shoes are the anchor of your outfit. They can elevate it or ruin it. Think of 3 main pairs in rotation: white or off-white leather sneakers for relaxed weekends, brown suede loafers or chukkas for smart casual settings, and dark boots or minimalist slip-ons for cool weather polish. Each pair tells the same story. that you've got it together. And here's the deal, keep them spotless. Scuffed shoes kill style faster than wrinkles. 5 minutes with a brush, conditioner, and a shoe tree will make them last for years. These small upgrades, proportion, texture, and consistency are what separate well-dressed from well-styled. Now that your foundation is refined, let's unlock the secret weapon of modern style. Layering that looks effortless, not forced. Layering is the art of looking good without looking like you tried. It's the difference between guy in a t-shirt and guy who has his life together. Picture this: a lightweight hoodie under a field jacket, dark jeans, and white sneakers. It's relaxed, functional, and perfect for those in-between weather days where comfort still looks intentional. Now start simple. Base layer, a fitted tee or Henley. Mid layer, a lightweight knit or overshirt. Outer layer, a jacket that adds shape and contrast. Picture this: white tee, light gray sweater, navy bomber on top. Clean, balanced, effortless. Keep your colors neutral. Navy, olive, beige, gray. They complement each other and make getting dressed easy. My personal test? The coffee run test. If you can throw on your outfit in 2 minutes and still get a compliment before your latte's ready, you nailed it. Pair rough with smooth, denim with knit, suede with cotton, leather with wool. It adds depth without shouting for attention. The truth is, effortless style isn't luck. It's intention disguised as ease. When layers work together, you look like someone who's got everything else together too. And if you're packing light or heading out of town, imagine this: gray chinos, white tee, navy bomber, and suede trainers. It's your go-to look for weekend trips or travel days. Comfortable, lightweight, and sharp enough to grab coffee or check into a hotel without missing a beat. Now that your wardrobe looks sharp, let's finish strong, with the details that define your presence. This is where most men stop, but it's where stylish men start. Because clothes can only take you so far, the rest comes down to presence. Start with grooming, a clean haircut that suits your face shape, a beard or stubble that's intentional, not accidental, healthy, hydrated skin that shows you take care of yourself. Picture this: simple outfit but sharp haircut, neat beard, clear skin. That's the difference between he looks okay and he looks incredible. Next, accessories. Keep it minimal. One good watch, maybe a leather bracelet or a pair of sunglasses that fit your face. These are quiet statements. Not decoration, but definition. Finally, confidence, because no outfit works if you don't own it. Walk with purpose even if it's just the grocery store. Make eye contact. Smile. Your energy is the final and most vital layer of your outfit, and it's the one people remember most. Remember this: clothes don't make the man, they reveal him. And the way you carry yourself completes the look. So yes, it's about shirts and sneakers and jackets, but it's also about attitude, posture, and presence. Style isn't just visual, it's behavioral, and that's what truly separates average from effortless. You opened your closet and felt stuck. Now you know small shifts make a big change. The takeaway is simple: dress sharper, not younger. If this hit home, watch my video called "Why Some Men Over 40 Look Rich in a $10 T-Shirt" for the mindset that makes basics look elite. Tell me in the comments, what's one small style upgrade you're making this weekend? And if you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more timeless style tips made for men over 40. You've got the tools. Now wear them with calm confidence. Same you, better signal.